Fix in 5. P0427. Catalytic converter temperature below threshold bank 2. High severity. Here's what it means, what causes it, and how it's fixed. Your car is telling you it's not okay. Believe it. First, the symptoms. Check engine light illuminated, possible loss of power under acceleration, reduced fuel efficiency, engine may run rough or hesitate. Now the most likely causes. Faulty catalyst temperature sensor bank 2. Catalytic converter degradation or failure. Exhaust system leak before catalyst. Engine running too cool, coolant thermostat issue. Wiring or connector issues to temperature sensor. Here's how a pro pins it down. Defective catalyst temperature sensor, internal failure or open or short circuit in the sensor wiring, damaged, fray. Poor connection at sensor or ECM terminals, loose, dirty. Blown or degraded sensor fuse, if circuit is fused separate. Faulty ECM, rare, usually only after all other possibility. How to fix it. Replace catalyst temperature sensor bank 2. Inspect and repair exhaust system leaks. Replace catalytic converter if degraded. Repair or replace thermostat if engine running cold. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. What does it cost? Roughly €45-120 doing it yourself, or €165-240 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. People also ask, how much does it cost to fix P0427? Repairing P0427 typically ranges from €150 to €800 plus depending on the root cause, labor rates in your region, and whether OEM or aftermarket parts are used. Professional diagnosis is strongly recommended. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro. Fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0427. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.